Lynn is measuring, we're looking at number 2 here, diameter of a circle, but she's doing it in 2 different locations. Alright, she's got the same circle. Okay, this is a horrible circle, I know, but just imagine that it's perfectly rounded and awesome. Alright, but what she does is she measures it from side to side like this. It says vertically first, my bad. So vertically would be up and down like so. When she does that, she gets a measure that is equal to 3.5 for the vertical. And then she comes over here and measures the blue line from side to side horizontally, and she gets a 3.6. And we're like, what's the deal, Lynn? Why is this happening to you? So we have to explain some possible reasons why these measures differ. Well, one thing that I could think of is that this is not a circle. Perhaps not a circle, because all circles should have the same diameter all the way around. So that could be one thing. Maybe it's not a circle. Number 2, maybe Lynn made a mistake measuring. That is part of being a human. We make mistakes, and Lynn might have been one of those humans. So Lynn made a mistake measuring. That could be a possibility. And I think those are probably the 2 main ones that I'm going to be looking for when you guys write here. If you got some other reasonings of why this might have happened, then you can list more, but these are the 2 main ones. Alright, let's jump on into number 3, because I think we got enough time to knock out 2 problems in one video here. Number 3, small test batch of lemonade. So we're making lemonade. We got all these different quantities. We got sugar, we got water, we got lemon juice, all the things that you need to make lemonade. So I'm going to make a table of 3 things: sugar, water, and the lemon juice. So I got all my ingredients. The original test batch, to kind of get the taste just right, required a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 full cup of water, and a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, all given to me in the very first sentence. So all this information was given to me. And then they're going to make a bigger batch, which means they're going to increase the amount of everything proportionally. So in the second batch, we jump from 1 cup of water to 10. So making that jump from 1 to 10 means that everything is growing by a factor of 10 times more. So that means that we got 10 times more sugar. That means we got 10 times more lemon juice. Everything gets multiplied by 10. And if I do a 1/4 times 10, that's pretty easy to do. It would just be 10 quarters, but I'm going to type it in so you can see what it looks like on the calculator. Times 10. You could also do 0.25 times 10. You get 5 halves, or the beautiful 2.5. So we would have 2.5 cups of sugar and 2.5 cups of lemonade. How much sugar should you add so that the large batch tastes the same? She should add 2.5 cups. Shown work over here. Alright, and that finishes problem number 3. Actually, I got a 1.5 minutes left on this video before I hit 5 minutes, so I'm going to knock out number 4. The graph of a proportional relationship contains this point, 312. Ooh, 312 in a point form? That means there's an xy coordinate. The x coordinate is the first one that is listed. The y is the second that is listed. So if x is 3 and y is 12, what is my constant of proportionality that gets me from side to side? The multiplied number is 4. The constant is 4. So easy, so good, so long.